Hey, curious minds. Welcome to Decode Dataverse journey. And this is your Tina, your go-to place to learn tech in a simple way. If this is your first time, make sure you subscribe so that you'll never miss a step in your data journey. And to all my return viewers, welcome back, Data Champions. If you have been thinking, I want to get into tech, but where do I start? So, this video is for you. So grab your curiosity and let's jump right in. So officially today we are kicking off our SQL series or SQL series where we'll be building your foundation step by step even if you come from a completely non-technical background. So before we jump into writing a lot more advanced query stuff, we'll take a look of the agenda, what we'll be learning through the series, so always you know where you are and what's coming next. So the topics we'll be covering is introduction to DBMS and RDBMS. Don't worry about these terms. I'll be telling you in detail in the future videos. Next, we'll be learning SQL Server history. And to mention you guys, this video will be this series will be of SQL Server. That means SQL Server, which is also called as SQL Server. It is just pronounced as SQL, but there will be no using of this word. Just you'll be pronunciating it. So the next is database design, features, data types, business integrity. Don't worry about these terms. I will be explaining in the future videos. So next will be system databases, SQL commands, writing queries, T-SQL programming, views and indexed views, triggers, stored procedures, cursors, functions, transaction, concurrency and logs, indices and performance tuning, and real-time scenarios. So I'll just give you a glimpses of what all these topics means. So introduction in the database introduction in DBMS and RDBMS is nothing but database management system and relational database management system. So we'll be understanding how data was stored before databases and how the birth of DBMS and RDBMS came into the digital world and everything. Next, we'll look for the SQL Server history. We'll look into how SQL Server evolved over time, why it became one of the most used database tools in the world, and how it is compared with the other software over there. And then we'll learn how to design a database properly, define tables, and choose the right proper tables to define. And for the databases, we look how many types of database we do have and storage information efficiently. For the business management, business integrity, we do have primary key, foreign key, unique, not null, check constraints. So we'll be knowing detail and how they ensure data accuracy. And we also see some of the system databases, what are they and how they use for ensure the data accuracy. For the SQL commands, we'll be learning DDL, DML, DCL to TCL commands, and you will learn what each command does and how it is used them through hands-on examples. We'll also write queries together like select, insert, update, delete, everything step by step. So the writing queries will be the same. Sorry for that. And for T-SQL programming, we'll be moving beyond simple queries. We'll be diving into T-SQL, the programming language inside SQL Server. You will learn about variables, loops, and conditional logic to make your queries smarter. And for use and indexed views are nothing but so these three will be learning will create reusable codes using views, indexed views, functions, and stored procedure, and will export triggers automatic database actions for automatic database actions. Sorry, for automate database actions and use reusable code. So the store procedures and views are something like reusable code, like, and also functions. And for transactions, concurrent logs, you'll understand how SQL Server works and handles multiple user working at the same time, and how to keep your data safe while using the transactions and lock mechanism. And indexing and performance tuning is nothing but we'll be learning how you want to run your queries fast, and we'll be learning how to use indexes, optimize performance, and analyze query execution plans. And finally, we'll be applying everything we have learned through the 3 real-time scenarios so that you can connect theory with actual business use cases. So by the end of the series, you won't just know SQL, you will think in SQL. So you'll understand how data flows, how to structure it, and how to make it work for you, whether you're applying for a data analyst role or a BI developer role or a data engineer role. So just trying to upskill yourself in your current job. In the next video, we'll start from the very beginning, like how computers uh, are handling data, what led to the birth of SQL language, and more. And that's it for today. Curious minds. So keep exploring, keep asking questions, and keep decoding. To all my written data champions, you're doing amazing. Don't forget to like, comment, and share it with your friend. Who's starting their own data journey. And always remember my mantra. This is Tina, decoding with you. Until next time, keep your data adventures alive. Keep smiling and be hydrated.